Hi, Dan here from Vehix411.com. Today I will show you a video how to properly diagnose, well actually it's not properly diagnosed, it's a common problem on a BMW 7 Series, 5 Series, and actually a 3 Series. Let's say you have your radio on and your front speakers don't work. This is a 7 Series where I'm working on right now. You would have the rear speakers, and so the rear speakers don't work good. They're huffing and puffing over there, and the front speakers don't work at all. It's a common problem on the 7 Series, and it's not the speaker itself, it's actually the logic7 amplifier. These amps go bad often. You can find one on eBay for like 250 bucks, or you can actually rebuild it. On the 7 Series you might be able to find a rebuild kit. It's like capacitors, and you can replace these capacitors, or you can just get one from a junkyard, whichever you want to do. But getting one from a junkyard, you're actually risking that it might be as faulty as your original one is. Otherwise, if your speaker is making noise in the rear, the front ones disappear or they stop working at all, it is a problem in the amplifier. Common problem on these logic7. You can rebuild the 7 Series ones. You can also rebuild the 3 Series one. It's a little harder. You will have to replace the circuit board, but there's also parts on the market that can do this kind of work. Otherwise, you can actually go visit Karman Auto. That's Karman with a K, karmanauto.com, and actually they have a rebuild service for logic7 amplifiers. 3 Series, 5 Series, 7 Series. Thanks for watching.